Attorney Mike Phillips plans to file a lawsuit against GovGuam if the Department of Administration cannot issue certificates for cost of living allowance payments to COLA retirees before July 17th. Phillips won a $123 million award for the retirees in a 2006 court ruling. GovGuam just issued settlement awards to the retirees after recently securing bond money for the payments, but missing from the checks was the 7% interest Phillips says GovGuam owes them.
But if you look at the correspondence between the government and myself, if you look at the legal opinion by the Attorney General, it doesn't appear to me that either the Attorney General or the government, number one, dispute that they owe the interest, or number two, that it's a valid program. Like any government debt, you have government officials saying, well, where are we going to get the money? And that's understandable, and that's why they were given that time.
GovGuam really has no excuse to forego paying the interest, he says, which he estimates will cost about $15 million. Phillips adds GovGuam could just issue certificates and assure retirees they will get paid eventually, and that might be enough to avoid a suit. Under the law, he says COLA retirees could ask for much more than the interest they want, but retirees just want what they feel they deserve. And for his part, Phillips, who made big profits for himself on the court's ruling, says he isn't getting a cent for his work on this case.
This is going to be done pro bono. And, of course, the government, whatever they owe me, interest, I intend to collect. I'm not waiving that, but I'm not going to be charging the COLA class any more money. Any interest they earn is going to be theirs. They'll keep all of it, and I'm not going to charge any attorney's fees for this.
Meanwhile, the Deputy Director for the Department of Administration, Joe Manabusan, says GovGuam is reviewing the issue with the Attorney General's office, and he says DOA cannot comment on it at this time. Stefan, Sebastian, PNC News.